Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Anchal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So today in this session, I'm going to start with some extra question answers from your GK topic. Okay, so you have to write all these questions in your notebook. So kindly open your books and write down the today's date, that is 16th November 2021. Okay, so first of all, I'll just write down the topic. Okay, so I'm beginning with some extra questions question answers. Okay, so let's begin with the question answer, and you have to write all these questions in your note. So the first question for you is, okay, which is the smallest country in the world? Write down question number 1, which is the smallest country in the world? So the smallest country in the world is Vatican City. Write down. It is also known as the smallest country, as well as it is also the independent nation. So independent nation भी बोला जाता है. Okay, which is the smallest, which is the smallest country in the world? Which is the smallest country in the world? The answer is Vatican City. So Vatican City is the smallest country in the world. So Vatican City is the smallest country in the world. Right? Check. Next, the question number 2 is, which medical specialty deals with the diagnosis and the treatment of diseases of heart and blood vessels? So if someone is suffering from the problem of heart and the blood vessels, so they are going to consult which medical specialist. So they are going to consult a cardiology department. Okay, so they will consult a cardiology. So they need a cardiology. Okay, for the treatment of the blood, if someone is suffering from any problem related to their heart or the blood vessels. Okay, so they are going to consult which medical specialty? Okay, so which medical specialty will deal with these kinds of problem? That is cardiology. So write down the question. Which medical specialty? Question number 2. Which medical specialty, speciality, which medical specialty deals with the which medical specialty deals with the diagnosis and treatment of diseases and treatment of diseases of heart and blood vessel, of the heart, of the heart and blood vessel. Okay, so the answer is cardiology. The answer number 2 is cardiology. The answer is cardiology. So this is the answer number 2, cardiology. Right? So you can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Chaliye, moving next to the question number 3. Okay, so let's begin with the next question. That is question number 3. So the question number 3 is, what is the full form of Wi-Fi? What is the full form of Wi-Fi? So the full form of Wi-Fi is wireless fidelity. So okay. Question number 3. Question number 3. What is the full form of Wi-Fi? What is the full form of Wi-Fi? The answer is wireless fidelity. The answer is wireless fidelity. Fedility. That is wireless fidelity. So the full form of Wi-Fi is wireless fidelity. Okay. So note down answer number 3 in your, question number 3 in your notebook. Moving next. What is the official distance of a marathon race in the Olympic Games? So in the Olympics game, what is the official distance of the marathon? So that is 42.195 kilometers. 42.195 kilometers. So let me just give 1 second. Okay. 42 or 48. This is 42.195 kilometers. Write down question number 4. What is the official distance? What is the official distance of a marathon race What is the official distance of a marathon race in the Olympics game? In the Olympics game. So the answer is 42.195 kilometers. 42.195 kilometers. So this is the official distance of the marathon race this is the official distance of marathon race in the Olympics game. Game नहीं होता, games होता है. Okay, Olympics games. That is 42.195 kilometers. Right? So this is the answer for the question number 4. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Okay? Chaliye. Moving next to the question number 5. Okay. question number 5. Okay. What is the name of the highest dam in India with the height of 260 meter? What is the name of the highest dam in India with the height of 260 meter? So that is Tehri Dam. Okay. Question number 5. Which is the highest dam in India with the height of 260 meter. So which is the highest dam with the height of 260 meter? This is the highest dam in India with the height of 260 meter. The answer is Tehri Dam. So the answer for the question number 5 is Tehri Dam, Tehri. That is Tehri Dam. Question number 6. What is question number 6? Next. What is the capital of Goa? What is the capital of Goa? So the capital of Goa is Panji. What is the capital of Goa? What is the capital of Goa? The answer is Panji. P-A-N-A-J-I. That is Panji. So Panji is the capital of Goa. Okay. So this is the answer for the question number 5 and 6. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Chale. Moving next to the question number 7. Question number 7. What is the capital of Germany? Question number 7. What is the capital of Germany? What is the capital of Germany? So the capital of Germany is Berlin. What is the capital of Germany? That is Berlin. So this is the answer for the question number 7. You can pause it here and note it down in your notes. Okay, let's begin with the next question. That is question number 8. So the question number 8 is, what is the full form of UN? What is the full form of UN? So the full form of UN is United Nations. Question number 8. What is the full form of UN? What is the full form of UN? The answer is United Nations. What is the full form of UN? That is United Nations. Okay. So this is question number 8. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Okay? So you can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Moving next to the question number 9. Moving next to the question number 9. Question number 9 is, okay, so in which city are the Wimbledon games held? So Wimbledon games है वो कौन सी city में होती हैं? So that are held in London. So the Wimbledon games are held in London. Write down question number 9. In which city Wimbledon, W-I-M-B-L-E-D-O-N, Wimbledon, in which city Wimbledon games are held? In which city Wimbledon games are held? The answer is London. L-O-N-D-O-N. Okay, that is London. Question number 10. The question number 10 is, what is a book of maps called? So book of maps is called atlas. What is a book of maps called? What is a book of maps called? The answer is atlas. The answer is atlas. A book of maps is called atlas. So this is the answer number 9 and 10. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Moving next to the question number 11. The question number 11 is, which musical instrument was Pandit Ravi Shankar expert and playing? So Pandit Ravi Shankar was a musician, so he was expert at playing sitar. Okay, sitar. Write down the question number 11. Which musical instrument was Pandit Ravi Shankar which musical instrument was Pandit Ravi Shankar an expert at playing? An expert at playing. So Pandit Ravi Shankar is expert at playing sitar. Answer number 11, that is sitar. That is sitar. Okay, so this is the answer for the question number 11. So you can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. So class, these are some extra questions that we had done. Okay, and you have to write all these questions in your notebook. Okay, so that you can revise it. Okay, and make sure that when you should revise these questions during the examinations of unit test 2, as well as the other questions that we had done before our unit test 1. So all these questions can be there in the annual and the unit test exams. Okay, so this is from my today's session class. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a great day.